Children, today I am going to show you how to color apple. Just like this. Take this color. It's a few minutes work. The color should not go out of the line, but it's a look at the picture, guys. I am almost done. Let's have red color because apple color is red. Color should not go out. Color should not go out, but
color no out.
yes, baby. My daughter gave me instructions about painting. At first, you should paint your border lines, just like this. I'm not a perfect painter, but trying my level best to teach your children. It's not so easy thing. It's almost ready. My daughter giving me advice about my paintings. She's not liking this. A for apple. My apple is almost ready. I am not a painter, but children, I am trying my level best to teach you. Almost ready. Almost ready, children. Almost ready, children. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. As I told you, I am not a professional painter, just trying to teach your children. Cover all the white spot with red color. This is the critical part. You should not touch the black line. It's difficult with wax paint equipment. Trying my level best. I know I am not perfect, but I am trying my level best. A for apple, B for ball, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. C for cat, and D for dog. Oh, my painting is almost ready, children. Just look at my work. It's almost complete. Thank you for watching.